Okay guys, we're just going live with it, so... hope the audio is coming through okay. I'm also going to try going live on... at Toppy, sorry, 2 seconds. Chatting to be, there we go. So we're going to say... Okay. So they're like... Oh. Yeah, sorry about this guys, I'm just getting set up in the back and I'm trying to, let's try this. Oh, thank you very much. Wow, thank you, Lexi. Should be good. Intro. So we're gonna just go live here. And I'm trying to stream to TikTok live, so I'm just gonna pull some windows down. Oh dear, hang on. I hope that's not interfering with these. Let's just restart the music. This is a really good mix. There we go. Cool. Wonderful. Oh no, I messed that up. Okay. Cool. Alright. Live metrics. Okay, let's just pop that here a sec, guys. So can I pop this into here? That's good. That's good. So I will get here. There you go. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. To get this started, sorry, I'm trying to stream to TikTok, but I've got to use their own bloody app. Because for some reason, I don't know if it's been a problem with Streamlabs, but they are kind of not allowing me to stream to TikTok from that app, which is a little bit annoying. But whatever, we'll move past that, guys. Move past that. Is my sound material okay? Everyone can hear me clearly? Checks the music stop. Oh, it did. Sorry about that. Jump up to here. Wonderful. There we go. Right. Let's get going. So, what I'm trying to do is create a very simple sort of warehouse build. So this is what I've imported so far. This box is an interior box, and it's yeah, it's a bit of a trap. If players walk into it, they can't actually get out, which is hilarious, of course, but not really what I was designing. Anywho, let's come out of here. We need to go a little bit bigger, so I've got my dimensions right. So what I'm going to do is 2 meter by 1.83 meter box. It's not very tall, so I do now need to pull this upward up to here. Gosh, that's interesting. Stream to TikTok and no one's really said hello yet. I haven't streamed to TikTok since last Christmas actually. Just haven't really been focusing on streaming. Okay, so I'm gonna just save this here. And then wire that across to maybe here. I think that's probably a small room, but let's test out the dimensions of that. I always love sort of just look and feel. To be honest, I'm really a little bit bigger on that. G, Y, to here. How are we all today anyway? We okay? I've published a new video on YouTube if anyone's interested, and it's I'll actually forgotten what the hell it's about. Oh, it's about making curves in Blender. Right, yeah, okay. It's about making curves. So, and now just extend this a little bit more. Oh, perfect. Okay, so I think that's probably okay. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm trying to think about how high I want this to be. I think I want to put in like a balcony or something. I'm going to do a little check, actually. So if I file and export this as an FBX, okay, I'm going to say, yeah, selected objects. Oh, hang on. Need to select the object first. File. Oops. File. Export. TFBX. We're going to export selected objects. Now, if I go into here, let's update this Stream Studio. So I'm keeping textures out at the moment, and the reason why I'm doing that... Oh, hey, Drew, how you doing? The reason why I'm doing that is because it's much quicker to upload things. So if I hit this replace button, let's just go in here. This should remember where I last grabbed things from. So if I now turn off, you've got to keep turning off the preserve offset pivots, otherwise it just throws warnings all the time. So we just let that load now. Oh, and that is going. So I middle box, you can probably see my mouse cursor moving around. This is just a slimline view of what I'm seeing over in Horizons. Let me just, whoops, oh, I have to be very careful here. There we go. Wonderful. Cool. Let's jump back to here. Perfect. So, how is everyone on TikTok, by the way? If anyone's enjoying the stream, please feel free to throw me a follow or a like or whatever, right? I'm going to be here for a little while. Not too long. I'm just kind of mostly messing around with just some shapes in Blender. So, okay, that's now imported. So I'm going to update this. Okay. And there you can see this has grown substantially. So if I just pull this out, I'm going to lift that up to about here, okay? And now I'm going to just run around and see, like, what are the dimensions on this? You kind of can't see it very well. But it's, you know, that'll do for a room. It's quite a nice studio room. It's quite difficult to get a feel for how big these rooms are. Yeah. Wonderful, okay. So... oh. What I am going to do, though, is I'm going to say set the... it says Shift S on this box, and I want to say... selection to cursor. Actually, first up, I need to apply. So I'm going to apply rotation and scale. And then I'm going to set the origin to geometry. And then I'm going to say Shift S. Selection to cursor. There you go. So we've now centered that level. I'm probably going to just pull it up until very imprecisely. We reach about that point there. Wonderful. Okay. Cool. It's good. Go off. Got an itchy back. Let's give that a rub. Cool. So what do I want to do now? I kind of want a jaunty roof. Let's do a jaunty roof. So we're going to go on inset, I think. Inset faces on the roof. Pull that inwards. Like so. And then we're going to just G and Z that upwards. Kind of like that. That looks about right, guys. That looks about right. So I say my feel was this was probably big enough for a small studio. Yeah, that's fine. So what I want to do is I want to put a little feature in here. Whoa, how do I do this? Okay, let's create a second mesh. This is the main hanger. And I'm going to create a new shape, which is going to be a was putting it as a cylinder, actually. And that could work. Let's do that. Do it as a cylinder. So, I'm going to sort of pull this up to about here, okay? So, not snap very well. Actually, I do have a Blender plugin, which is really fancy. Hello, everyone. Metabuilders, hello. Long time no speak. So all you do is you're going to Control, Shift, and D. Then you click on a bottom vertex. Press the Z button. And we're just going to snap that to the bottom here, okay? Great. I'm going to... actually, that was a waste of time because I'm going to scale it up anyway. Because I kind of want this to be... Oh. Yeah. I'm thinking. I'm thinking, guys. So, if I now grab this, I like G and Z it, snap it about, well... Oh, I don't have snapping turned on. How rough. Okay, so G and Z snap it to about, well, they would be good, to be honest. Alright. Living on it. Do the old trick again then. Wonderful. Now, I'm thinking, guys. If I go up to top here. Oops, sorry, I just broke the angle there. So if I G and Y this up to about here. It's not very exact. I'm going to have to turn on a bit of wireframe magic so I can see kind of what I'm doing. Oh. I was much more exact when this dimmed down. What the hell I managed to do this. Let's go for a side view. There you are. Gee. Oh no, wait. My brain's not working. If I click on this, right, and I click on this wall, I'm gonna say it's about how you use your cursor for this. So, Control Shift S. Oh no, not Control Shift S. Just Shift S. I'm sorry. And then what we do is we say cursor, to active, or cursor to selected. Boosh. So that moves it there. And then, because the origin of the cylinder is in the middle, we can say... Shift S. Select the... Hang on. Select the cursor. So that's now moved it perfectly. If I look at that, that's going to be a wonderful start. So if I G... actually, sorry, if I Control... Shift Z, grab bottom vertex, lock to Z, come down to here, then I think we're okay there. Just enter that to save it and commit it. And we are looking pretty dead center, guys. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to duplicate this cylinder. Okay, and then this cylinder is going to be... If I come back to here, we're going to flip it, ready? You won't see it though, because there's another bloody thingy there. So, look. They don't really shade smooth at this point. Flip. Though you'll be in edit mode for this. F3 and flip. So, you can't see what that's done at the moment, because there is another cylinder, but if I hide that, you should. I'm in the wrong view. Let's try this. Let's make sure we've got black freeze culling is turned on. I'm sure I just flipped this. Why would that? Hang on, let's just check. Yeah, okay. Did I mess that up? So let's say, oh. Oh, that's weird. Okay, that's now the right way round. So what I want to do here, guys, is I want to, this other cylinder, which is here, you can't. Oh, I see it flip the other. Nah. Shit. Flipping almost there. So the other cylinder, which doesn't have the flip normals, I'm going to go into this main hanger. And I'm going to add the modifier, generate and boolean. And then I'm going to say, I want you to subtract this bad man. So I'm now going to hide him. So, until I not do that. Is it because he's not there or that so it's going on? What the fudge? So, oh wait, where am I? Ah, right, I put a boolean among them thing. So here, we're gonna do it again. Generate boolean, and then we're gonna say es to cinder1. Let's get rid of that. And then, oh, that is. Whoops. Had a remarkably strange effect. Not quite what I wanted. Oh, I see. Because of that, it's now. Right. If I flip this again, then flip. What? Okay, I think I know what's happened here. I need to apply this. Can I not apply this? Oh, yeah. Oh. Apply it. And then I need to go in and say F3, tab, F3 flip. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay, I see what's happened here. Oh, you tricky beast. You tricky beast. Okay, that's not the end of the world. I think I know what to do here. We've just got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think if I just look at that from above to remind myself, we're going to get 6 as well. Okay. Oh, we're going to do 6. We're going to unselect that. We're going to delete this, I guess. The faces. That's kind of left that intact. That's good to see. I need to also go in here, looking in this shape. I need to remove the faces. So if I say, oh, I've come in now. G3. Hello, everyone. How you doing, guys? You okay? So it's my first stream for a very long time. Why, you can see I've basically selected one side too many here, silly, which is just eliminate that. Delete faces. We now have a sort of a punch to room. Look at that. Outstanding, guys. So, if I just highlight that here, then I'm gonna do F3 and smooth, shade smooth, okay? Perfect, because that. But on the outside, I still need to do this, so I need to. Ooh, hello. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good. The same here. Hello. Oh, you bloody Buddha. Okay, I'm on the outside. Out, there we go. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think that's probably right. That's good. So F3, shade, smooth. Wonderful. There we go. We're good. Hello everyone over on TikTok. How you doing, Wayne? And hello, Danny. Great. So now we've got this, guys. What I want to do is I want to start putting some materials in. So green screen, I already have one here. So all I'll do is on this. Hello. How you doing? This is the green screen. We're gonna just apply this here. Fine. Okay, we're not in a view where we can see the colours, but oh my goodness me. Oh Lord, I guess you can't. I think let's just remove that green screen. We don't want that, but if we say like the base material here, that's better, right? So go actual green screen. I've noticed that there's some sides going on here, isn't there? So perhaps I need to join and merge. Don't know. But if I look at this, like G, Z, this is where, like, I think using tools like plasticity were kind of handy, actually, because they didn't so much complain. Okay, so there are some rogue surfaces here. Let's just try hitting delete. Okay. Nice. Now, that seems a little too low, because it can be seen on both sides. I'm curious. So if I extrude that just a little upwards, could I, oh, what the hell? Look at that, look at all that weirdness. So fun. There, there is definitely two sides going on here. So, I want to try removing the outer sides, alright? Not know if this is a good idea, but we're about to find out. Okay, no, that's done the biscuits. Yes. And then this is, I think... Oh, no, I didn't enjoy that. Oof. So, if we go into main hangar, I guess. Or is it the other cylinder? Let's... I can figure rid of that now. Yeah, okay, that's good. Hey, oh, cool, thank you. Yeah, I'm really good, thank you. And hello everyone. Thank you for the likes as well. It means a lot. Wow, 480 likes, that's nuts. I bet you guys are crazy. Yeah, I'm just doing some Saturday modeling in the background. I'm trying to create a new live stream studio. It's going okay. Just a sort of a bit of fun for VR. So I can do some live streams from within VR. Oh, that didn't work at all. Let's try extruding this. Okay, let's see if that works just like that. So, oh, I didn't enjoy that at all. So I wonder. Hello, tall dwarf. Is, well, he's disappeared, shy. So, yeah, I'm going to try exporting this, and we're going to have a little look how it actually looks inside the game engine, okay? It's quite important to do the checkpoints. I need to kind of select all, file, and export SPX. Okay, yes. And now I need to go in here. And, great. Wonderful. Cool. How are you guys over on YouTube? You okay? Hey, you having a good time? Okay, so I'm just updating this now inside Horizon Worlds. And, I've got a code editor open as well. You've probably seen that. Let's get have a go at something. I need to sort of go into scripts. I need to check. I don't know. Actually, first of all, let's just focus on what I'm doing. If I say update all there. Cool. Alright. So that should update the Photo Studio shortly, providing I've done this right. And it hasn't completely fluffed it. Yeah, I think it's completely fluffed it. Let's save that. Let's select all. Let's export again. Let's export GeoC. 21 kilobytes. It's not happy, is it? It's really not happy. So if I just try it again. So Studio replace asset. And let's put this in here. Turn off that flag. So let's have a look what happens there. And while it's doing that, guys, I'm going to go into, I think it's the cog settings API. And we're going to turn on that. Great. Cool. So that's done. Do we have any, oh. It's weird. Trying to leak there. Okay. It's not enjoying life today. Should we try whacking out another one, see what happens? Oh. Oh my goodness me, look at that. It's huge. It's so big. So we're going to set that position to, I guess, 0. 0. 0. Set to 0 on the Y, and it seems to have skipped up to sort of 1 point something very odd. Okay, so here is our okay. So if we just jump in here, ooh, it's very bright, isn't it? It's okay. So I think it's the normals are a little bit rough in here. Oh, look at that. That's really screwed. That's the wall that should have the cutout. Doesn't have one. So Good. Hey, James Stewart and the hello page. How you doing? So, okay. Right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna recalculate some normals. If I go into here, and I go into... Oh, it's very warm today, guys. Very, very warm. In mesh, I can see normals. I can see it's set from faces. Oh, wow, look at that. I have already mashed it up. Let's take that back. So if I say, mesh, normals, recalculate inside, I don't know if that's going to do any good. Well, I mean, it kind of makes sense. That's how it should look. I wonder if I need to triangulate this. I think it's gone to hell. So if I open up the I started to wonder if this is the best way to do it, but it's okay. So you see with the triangulation modifier, what's happened is it stops treating it like quads, right? And it actually draws triangles, which is just a much better way of doing it. And the cylinder's going to need that treatment as well, so let's run over to triangulate. Why that's important is Horizons supports trimesh, so giving it quads, it's going to squirm. It's not going to know what to do, and it'll try and convert triangles on the fly, but in practice that does work very well. So, do I triangulate that as well? We're going to see if we've got any better results there, okay? So file, export to FBX, okay? Done. And then we're just going to quickly import that as well. Oh, I tell you what, I need a drink, guys. So, really looking forward to a glass of wine, mate. I think I say it every day. Fun. Okay, let's import, huh? Friend. Hello! Selectino and NCL Scott. How are you guys doing? No hierarchy nodes. Oh, okay. I need to remember to select before it exports. So, file, export, and FBX at home. No, it's because I'm exporting as selected only, which of course is well, I've got nothing selected. I'm not actually exporting anything, so. Oh, good to speak. Right. Let's open that again. Turn off the offset pivots. And then... Oh. Jenny has lit up all gifts in their gifts gallery. That's cool. Thank you, Jenny. Fair. Okay. How long have we been streaming for, guys? I literally have no idea. Been a little off. Right, asset is now, I think, replaced. We can run an update on this. So if we just jump up here and we say update all. Let's see what happens, eh? Okay. Cool. So, I mean, it's now sideways, which is a bit weird. I didn't ask for that, but let's check the rotations. We're messed up. No, rotations are still showing Z. Sans 0, so I'm gonna just destroy this and re-import it in case, okay? Oh, shoot. Oh, okay, so just pulling it back out again seems to do some kind of trick. Set another observation. It's very, very bright in here, so I'm gonna, bring in a gizmo, okay? And the gizmo I'm after is an environment box. Let's see, pull that out. Hello to anyone who's just joined. I'm trying to do more streams. TikTok, I'm kind of testing the waters again. I was streaming to TikTok daily, sometimes multiple times, but I sort of lost interest in TikTok. That's cool. So Midnight Black. Right, here we go. That's looking a bit more healthy, isn't it? So we've actually preview from here and here. So that's looking alright. That's looking okay. It's not looking too distorted, like question why it's not showing the right colours. But again, texturing I can come back later. I think, to be honest, the vertex colouring is what I was using, okay? So we're gonna take a little break at this point. We're gonna basically what are we gonna do? We're gonna go into the code editor, which I've got somewhere. Here it is. So we have this is a bit of TypeScript, guys. So I'm gonna try and just move this thingy around a little. There you go. Can I make this any bigger so you can actually see what I'm doing? Yeah, sure I can. There you go. How's that? We'll make this blender window a little smaller because you kind of don't need to see that quite so close up, I guess. Oh, there we go. And yeah, let's just put that there. So wonderful. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just come out here. We're gonna go into here now. What I want to do is I want to import the UI. Okay, so. Oops, I gotta bring the TikTok studio up again just so I can see. I've been good, thanks, Sean. Yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of well, mixed discipline building here. But how are you? So because it's a Horizon UI, we want to be using a UI component, okay? So I don't like these aliases, so I don't use the HZ dot structure. I can never bloody remember how to do this. Good. Okay. Oh no. Some great outfits landing in Horizons. If you haven't stopped by, I'm going to post some videos over on the YouTube and on TikTok at some point as well. And on the Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. That's my primary platform. I'll do longer form videos over on YouTube. But yeah, check it out, guys. Check it out. I spend a lot of time making these videos to help people, so if they're helpful to you, great. Let me know. Drop me a comment. So I just can. Oh, come on now. Lost my will to live. Now I've lost my cursor. Okay. I can't remember what the hell I was doing. No. Did anyone play Batman on the MetaQuest yet? I've got it, but I haven't played it. You can approach it. Yeah. I might try some of that yoga stuff again. There's a great app called that yoga thingy. Oh, I can't remember what the hell it's called now. Sorry, I'm bumbling. My brain is breaking down. I can't concentrate on anything. MetaQuest yoga. Why me that? That I don't know, to be honest. Chris, it's the one that came with the MetaQuest. Batman Thingy Edition. Oh yeah, and there's Mill's Body Combat. I was gonna do more of that. Well, I forgot I bought a Headspace. That's a good app. Sorry, I'm just dribbling there. What the hell was it called? Oh, Allo Moves, yeah. Allo Moves was the one. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, Alan Moose was pretty good. Good, right, some of the left. Hello, people of TikTok. TikTok's been pretty good, actually. It's been shoving quite a few people through, but unfortunately I can't stream directly to it, so I'm gonna have that accursed studio app running as well, which is silly, but there we go. It is what it is. So I must find my way to make GitHub place a sec. So, what we got? Class extends UI component. Okay, so I don't need an abstract. That didn't make sense anyway, I guess. But what I am going to do is I'm going to import the other library at the top, okay? I don't need component, but I'm gonna put that in there just for a sec. People that don't actually mute, you'll see it come up as an invalues thingy. There we go. Been good, thank you, mate. How's yours? Oh, actually, I've just realised why this isn't working. So, this is a UI, okay? And so we need to, do what it wants to do, which is to create some stuff. So I don't know why this is not helping me out more, but there is something in here saying, yeah, quit sex, let's do it. Implement inherited abstract class. That's the one. Yeah, no, that's the one. We've got the props definition, which will be useful later. I actually know that was mandatory, but okay, cool. Hello everyone on TikTok, and hello everyone on Twitch as well. Good to have you aboard. I'm probably going to run the stream for another 20 minutes, and then eyes out. Anything can happen, I guess. Yeah, okay, so... So it's the initialize UI thingy was missing, that's fine. So... Is it? This gonna return something, isn't it? So if we see return... Jeez. I think it's just a view, isn't it? No, I don't view create. I just want to view. So I'm gonna place in a gizmo, okay? And that gizmo, it's gonna be a custom UI thingamabob. Right. I'm gonna do a bloody tutorial on this one day, guys. I swear. For today, no. That's I've done one tutorial. That's it. No more. Oh, that's fine. Attach script. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. Wonderful. So now if I start the will sim, let's just see which side bisexual. I can never remember. Okay, so it's complaining. For why? Okay. So view is gonna have children. Children. What the hell? No, don't suggest that. What are you doing, you crazy beastard? Oh, yeah. Well, I guess a child could be a text object. What might? Yeah. To specify it like that, I guess. And so the text object actually has to be but yeah, so Right. Hello, Annie. If anyone's stopping by on the TikTok, please do make sure you slam that like button a few times. It does help. Thank you. Um, just slap that down like so. Point to him like this. What out? And up will close, and then we're gonna go there, and then that's probably gonna go there, and I think we are same as a pound, yeah. Fine, I can never remember the indent command. Is it Shift Alt B? No, small that, what the hell? And that now is showing you can see the text in here, which is wonderful. Yeah. So, the next Charlie, I'm gonna indent this a sec, guys, because it's not easy to read. Okay. The next Charlie, yes. Boom. Hello, Matthew, how you doing? Oh my god, it's been a while. Mind you, I haven't streamed in a little while, but how have you been? Hello, Laura Morris. And hello, MTMT. It's a strange thing. So, I think the next thing I'm going to do is eat pressable, okay? Suppressible, so. Oh, wonderful. Let's just make sure we've got our commas going on here, okay? I'm going to say, like, I think this is the right syntax. Option 1, okay? Cool beans. Hello, Phil. How you doing? Dill from Horizon Worlds has joined the chat. Shit, amazing. And how are you today? So I'm going to put in another pressable here. And we're going to call it option 2. It's good to see there's now filling out in the demo, which is great. That for a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. Right. And what's Phil been up to? I've been having a few beers of relaxing. Oh, bless you, mate. Even I'm going to have a few wines later. I did stop by and say hello to Nick earlier. We were both loitering in Horizon Central, and we started asking the really deep questions. Philosophizing AI and VR and all kinds of twists on reality. Do you want to hear some of the questions? They were pretty deep. Well, we'll get this talking, right? It's just, my goodness me, here we go. Wow. Yeah, I've got a line here. Could the emergence of AI challenge us to confront and evolve our own definitions of morality? That was one. Yeah, Nick loves it. Nick absolutely loves it. If AI behaves immorally, is it a failure of intelligence or a reflection of human corruption? Yeah, I like that one. That's a good one. Okay. Okay. So, give me a sec. I've been having fun with clothing today. I found this really bizarre outfit combination. Check it out. Not ready? Oh, my mom! How weird does that look? It literally, like, it's just a good combo. The top is from Ash Exo Store, and the bottoms are from Sumi Bros. It just looks hilarious when you're running around. The fake it would be jumpy jump. By the way, if anyone's watching and you're not in Horizon Worlds, you need to stop by. I do have a URL down the bottom right of the screen for the White Lotus. It's open every night. It will be opening at 7:30. It will be full of UK people and European people as well. So completely free. Completely free. We don't charge anyone for anything in the White Lotus. There's no money involved. It's just for people to come in and have a good time. The only slight caveat, he has to be over 25 to be in there. It's definitely for the slightly older adults. Or it's not. Yeah, it's a great themed hangout. It's relaxing. Oh, I might be getting a little bit drunk later. I was very drunk last night, apparently. I was waffling on about things I don't even remember. But I did, actually, Phil, if you're still there, I went over to Banter last night, and they were running an AI bot in there, but it was unlike anything I've seen before. They must have really resourced that for a demo, because it was speaking in the same voice as Shane, the CEO of SideQuest. So it's speaking in an Irish accent in his voice. And it was answering questions that only he could answer. Meanwhile, he was just off in the background doing his own thing. But I think the aim is that Cam AIs at some point take over support, because when we think of traditional chatbots, we always think of them being crap. Right? They just answer a distinct set of questions, like being in a telephone queue, right? And you sort of, press 1 to speak to the so-and-so department, press 2 to speak to the so-and-so department, whatever. And it's boring. But this bot last night, I sort of got up and actually spoke to it, and it was uncanny. It was uncanny. I don't have a better word for it than that. It was really, really uncanny. I couldn't believe it, and I'm pretty tuned into AI myself, but what they're doing over there is incredible. And that's I do want to spend more time over in Banter. I may start doing the odd night over there on quiet nights, because Horizon Worlds is it's always been an absolute staple. I love it, but I've noticed that the populations have dropped a little bit, so I think Banter's definitely got a bit more of a hardcore VR following. And I'd love to start populating that place and just serving as a sort of, hopefully, a benefit to the platform, I guess. That would be nice. Yeah. So, yeah, it should be good. But I couldn't believe what I was seeing last night. That was, it's absolutely insane, guys. And by the way, if anyone's following on YouTube or what have you, please do, feel free to subscribe, and it's free. Also on TikTok. If you're not following me on Twitch, please do get on over there and just hit the follow button. It will help me out a million. Thank you. I won't be streaming to TikTok very much. I'm just trying to sort of tick the boxes, as it were. Yeah. Just to whatever. We had a lot of people pass through on TikTok, actually. It's been interesting. Yeah, let me think. We've had 556 people pass through on TikTok. TikTok definitely pushes the numbers. But I think it just struggles to give you genuine viewers. So, Kiel. Hello, Gabriel Barbosa, and Lizzie Lou, and hello, Yoshi Gamer. Hi there, D9PRVD. Cool. Okay, hello, Ens. How you doing? Okay? Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll go in about another 10 minutes after the stream, guys, then. I think it's, time's up. We've got things to do. Hello. What am I doing? Sorry, I got horribly lost here. So once we've added the text in here, okay, the next thing I need to do is to add an on press, I think. Was it pressed? Oh, yeah. Is it pressed? I'm struggling. Oh, yeah, sorry. The pressed it's not part of the text. Let's just clarify that. So if I push this text down and then hit save, it should auto format. There we go. So the actual thingy needs to come here. So this is going to be press. On press? I think it's on press. Yeah, there we go. Oh my goodness. I mean... Oh, Jesus. No, we don't do that. Is that... Has it gone too far? It's gone too far, isn't it? It's maybe gone too far. I don't know. Hang on. It's just... So I'm having trouble visualizing. It's one of the problems with them. Dealing with so many levels of parenthesis, I just get a little bit bamboozled, to be honest. Is it on press? Oh yeah, there is an on press, okay. Well... It's expecting a comma. And not that. Is that for real? Is that all it wanted? No way. No, no, hang on. Property assignment expected. Well, I guess. What's that? Is that right? There was a really nice console log thing that put in. I forgot log. Yeah, sure. Really? Good. Wonderful. Hello everyone on Twitch, by the way. And, oh my goodness me. Hello all the people that just joined on TikTok. You guys are amazing. Okay. So... No. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's okay. That closes off that, which is fine. Oh, I'm gonna have to mute a sec, I think, guys. Sorry about this.